Hey everyone! Would you like know how I made this personalized magnificent keychain? And follow me and I will show you a step by step how I made it and I guide you and you can have one of these in your beautiful house and enjoy it. If you follow me in this channel, you're gonna see a lot of interesting things in my activity. Then follow me and we will show you a lot of interesting things. Thank you.
I started by opening the photo in Photoshop to cut them out cleanly. I use select subject, which automatically detects the person in the image. Then I refine the edges and clean it up the selection manually to make sure it looks perfect. Once that was done, I saved the cutout image to use in the next step. Now here comes the fun part, turning the photos into anime. I went to the free site called Styler.ai. It lets you convert your photos using different animation styles. I choose the storytime mode, which gives the characters a soft animated look, and I really like it, the result. Then I brought the anime version back into Photoshop for final adjustment and layout. Once I had everything ready, I placed the characters on a background of a house and designed the key holder layout. Then I import the file into Extrude Creative Space and prepared it for laser cutting. I won't go too deep into the cut setting here, but if you're curious, just drop a comment and I'll share all the details. I use my laser cutter to cut the shapes out of wood. Look at here, the lines cutting perfectly on the wood and the design it comes up to life. I like this moment. I printed the design using sublimation paper. Then I use a heat press to transfer the artwork onto the wood. Super fun and satisfying. After printing, I assembled everything together, added the hooks, and here it is. A personalized anime style key holder. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials like this, or if you need help with laser setting or Photoshop tips.